guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox unable to connect to this server. Please check your internet connection error in Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error unable to connect to the server, please check your internet connection in Roblox. Then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open the settings. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here app management. Just tap on this. Just tap on the app list. Here you need to find Roblox. Just tap on the search bar and type Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox. Once you have to click on the force stop. Again you have to click on the force stop. Just tap on the storage usage. You can see here cache memory. Just click on clear cache. After that click on clear data. Before clicking OK, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Roblox ID and password. If you have remembered your user ID and password, then click on OK. After that, then go back. Just tap on the permissions. Here you need to allow all the permissions. For example, select the camera and allow the permission, then go back. Select the microphone, allow the permission, then go back. Like this you have to allow all the permissions. After that, then go back. Again tap on the settings. Just tap on the SIM card and mobile data. Select the SIM card from which your mobile data has been enabled. Just tap on the access point names. Just tap on the top right side 2 dot. Click on reset access point. After resetting access point, then go back. Below you can see here carrier. Just tap on this. Here you need to select auto select. If it is disabled, just enable this one, then go back. After doing this, once you have to disable and re-enable your SIM card. Now enable again. After disabling, enabling, your network will be restarted, and go back, again go back, again go back. After doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox unable to connect to the server. Please check your internet connection in Android. Video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.